Imagine a city that grows like Lego blocks. Assemble, disassemble, upgrade, adapt. In the Middle East, where speed, scale, and sustainability collide, that possibility is no longer sci-fi. Structural innovation and modular construction are driving a quiet revolution in how the region builds. This is your moment, telling not just how they build, but why and how sustainable futures are being crafted in steel, concrete, and digital models. In this video, we'll explore how modular methods reduce waste, accelerate timelines, respond to climate stress, and reframe what permanent even means in architecture. From the UAE's modular pioneers to Saudi megaprojects, we'll look at the challenges, breakthroughs, and what the future might hold. The Middle East faces unique pressures: extreme heat, intense sunlight, water scarcity, rapid urbanization, and ambitious national visions, e.g. Saudi Vision 2030, UE 2071. Cities like Riyadh, NOM, and Abu Dhabi are racing to expand, but cannot afford the slow, wasteful, carbon-heavy methods of old. Traditional construction methods often generate massive waste, face labor constraints, and get delayed by extreme weather. According to the World Economic Forum, modular construction can cut material waste drastically and deliver faster build times. Moreover, embodied carbon, the carbon cost built into materials and construction, is a growing concern. Research cited in Construction Week claims that prefabricated pre-finished volumetric construction, PPVC, can reduce embodied carbon by up to 30% in the region. So innovation isn't optional. It's essential if the region's lofty sustainability, economic, and livability goals are to be met. Before diving deeper, let's define modular construction: off-site fabrication of building modules, rooms, walls, floors, under controlled factory conditions, then shipping them for assembly on site. Structural innovation: new materials, connection systems, hybrid forms, joint design, and responses to loads, wind, seismic, thermal, that push beyond conventional methods. In modular construction, factory precision means less waste, fewer site errors, and better integration, structure plus MEP plus finishes. The World Economic Forum notes that with modular, project timelines can be cut by up to 50% and costs reduced up to 20% by improved productivity and less rework. Structural innovation might include semi-rigid joints that allow small movement but remain strong, hybrid frames combining steel plus concrete, prefabricated shear wall systems, and digital optimization of material use. The region is also experimenting with circular design, designing modules to be dismantled, reused, upgraded, or recycled instead of demolished. In the Gulf, modular construction is growing fast. In the GCC region, the permanent modular construction market expanded from $2.9 billion in 2020 to $3.4 billion in 2023. Dubai's modular builder LNQ, part of ALEC, recently gained a modular construction license from Dubai Municipality for AG+6 modular building project. LNQ says this is just the beginning. Modular can scale up, perhaps to 20, 30, or 40 stories. In Saudi Arabia, modular is being used for hotels, remote worker housing, and infrastructure. The CIMC Modular Building Systems announced a landmark modular hotel in Riyadh, setting a benchmark for hospitality modular construction in the Middle East. Also, events infrastructure is being modular. In Saudi's Soundstorm Festival, modular hospitality towers and container stages were built for rapid deployment and reuse. In Abu Dhabi, Masdar City is a flagship sustainability project. While not purely modular, it embodies many principles modular construction supports: phased development, sustainable materials, and adaptive infrastructure. Sharjah Sustainable City is another real project. 1,250 residential units across multiple phases, rooftop solar, wastewater recycling, EV infrastructure, and waste diversion. These projects show modular isn't isolated. It fits into broader sustainable city building strategies. 1. Speed and parallel workflows: site groundwork, foundations, utilities, and module fabrication happen at the same time, reducing total project time. WEF claims up to 50% time savings. 2. Waste reduction and material efficiency: on-site waste in traditional builds often exceeds 10 to 30%, but modular factory control can reduce this to 1–2%. 3. Quality control and precision: factories use standardized processes, robotic tools, and factory QA to ensure modules meet tight tolerances, reducing defects on site. 4. Reduced site disruption, less noise, dust, fewer deliveries, safer working environment, important in dense cities or sensitive zones. 5. Carbon and circularity gains, lower embodied carbon, 30% less claimed for PPVC in the Middle East. Module reuse and disassembly potential support circular design. 6. Scalability and flexibility, modules can be scaled, reconfigured, or reused. For future expansion, buildings can evolve, not be demolished. 7. Cost certainty and risk reduction, many unknowns of site labor, whether delays, rework are reduced. Initial modular costs may be higher, but overall risk and overruns drop. Upfront capital and investment. Modular factories, tooling, transport infrastructure require high upfront cost. Regulation and codes. Many local building codes are not yet adapted for modular or volumetric systems, causing permitting hurdles. Logistics and transportation limits. Modules must fit transport constraints, road width, weight, crane reach. Their design limitations, highly customized facades or shapes sometimes conflict with modular standardization. Supply chain dependence. If a factory or supplier fails, modules back up, delaying whole projects. Skill and cultural change. Designers, engineers, workers must adapt to factory processes, advanced digital tools, and coordination workflows. In the Gulf, Accuracy's Insight piece notes that modular in the UAE and Saudi must overcome regulation, logistics, and proving credibility. When you stack volumetric modules or combine them with traditional floors, your connections must handle loads, gravity, wind, seismic, and tolerances. Structural innovation provides semi-rigid joints that permit slight motion while transferring loads, prefabricated shear cores for lateral stiffness, hybrid frames, steel plus concrete to optimize weight, strength, and cost. Digital modeling to optimize structural layout, minimize material use. Smart sensors and monitoring to ensure joints maintain alignment over time. In modular high-rise experiments worldwide, structural design is evolving to accommodate vertical stacking, module misalignments, thermal movement, and dynamic loads. Thus, structure plus modular must co-design from day one, not retrofit. Vertical modular towers, 20 to 30 stories or more built modularly. Robotics and automation, robotic arms easing module placement, factory automation accelerating production. A digital twin and AI, monitoring module performance, predicting maintenance, optimizing assembly. A material innovation, lightweight composites, recycled materials, responsive facades. Scalable smart cities, modules providing architecture for districts, housing, offices, amenities, with flexibility built in. As the WEF notes, modular unlocks convergence between manufacturing and construction. We might soon see cities where entire blocks are prefabricated, shipped in, snapped together, and upgraded instead of built piece by piece. Lower carbon footprint across life cycle, manufacture, transport, assembly, reuse. Faster delivery means infrastructure can serve people sooner, schools, housing, clinics. Job creation in modular factories, engineering, logistics. Affordability and predictability for developers, reducing financial risk. Urban resilience. Modular buildings can adapt to climate shocks, be repaired or replaced in modules. Community benefits. Less disruption, better quality, more accessible infrastructure. In a region with youthful populations and rapid growth, these gains matter deeply. The Middle East is rewriting what it means to build, not just bigger, but smarter, faster, greener. Modular construction and structural innovation are more than tools. They are enablers of vision, cities that respond, evolve, and endure.